Yeah, yeah. Good. Yeah, stay relaxed but tall, same time. So that when he gets a little bit behind you, that you're not helping him by quote unquote throwing yourself forward with the upper body. You just stay there, give another leg aid, then come on, go, then give him room that he is a type of horse that he likes to get a little short in the neck. And you want to, without letting your reins longer, you want to put your hands a bit toward his mouth sometimes there, and then add your leg there so that he has room, that he can go forward and doesn't feel that your hand is stopping that. And if it's not your hand, that he doesn't curl up. So you ride the hind legs forward. There, like that. That's a better reaction. Good, and now you're sitting taller. Good, good, very good. I like the braids, but I like what you did on his butt there. The little croup hairdo there. Very nice. Active, but not faster. Yeah, light hand, like there. When he give, you know that feeling when he trots, and all of a sudden it's almost like he's trotting backwards toward you. Then give a little bit. There. Now let his nose. That's good. That you give the hind leg a chance to come out into the bit. Yeah, that's what I mean. Then he looks a little bit more uphill rather than back. Nice and bouncy, huh? It's good exercise for you. He's not for us old people, you know. How do you feel? Good, give a little. There you go, super. That's a lovely trot. Yeah, you can canter, you can do rising trot, whatever you want. If you want to canter a little bit, that's okay. But give him the feeling that when he feels your leg, your hand doesn't block that energy from going forward. Even though it's collected trot, the horses have to have the feeling that they're not blocked in and they're not locked in. The transitions to the walk, always think of the downward transition as an upward transition. So instead of trotting and sort of I take him back to the walk, ride him out into the walk. It doesn't mean the reins are longer, you just want to bring him out. Good. A little quieter upper body. So that, yeah, that you can feel better what his back is doing. That's okay. Careful with the right hand. You won't bend left, yes, and you half forward on the right. But you want to allow the flexion by sometimes giving on the outside